This slimline dishwasher from Hoover is perfect for households that want an eco-friendly model with time-saving features. It has an A++ energy rating and 10 place settings, which means it can wash a main plate, side plate, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 10 people. That means this dishwasher is ideal for compact kitchen spaces. Hoover's Handy Quick Wash is a short 24-minute program that's really easy to use. With the simple touch of a button, it will wash a small amount of slightly dirty plates and cutlery in just 24 minutes. So, whether you need to create a quick lunch or throw a last-minute dinner party, your dishes will be ready in no time. The Economy Wash program gives you the excellent cleaning results you expect, but with fantastic energy savings. Once this program has been selected, the dishwasher will automatically use a lower temperature on a slightly longer cycle. This uses less water and electricity, so your dishes are given a proper clean without any wasted energy, meaning your dishes will be lovely and clean, and you'll save on your utility bills too. If you're looking for a slimline dishwasher with time-saving features, this eco-friendly model is the one for you.